Squad. Let's see. Let's see squad. Squad looks good. Okay, so you can see. Oh, no, this one is squad. Let's go with squad. Let us go with squad, people. Let's try it out. Let's go with squad. Let's see. Did I buy it? Looks like it bought. Just remains one tiny amount. What happened to you? What's going on? I'm going to cancel it. Let's just work with that. Let's cancel it. Let's cancel it. Yes, I want to cancel. Let's go. I'll be fine. Let's cancel it. Let's go now. What's happening? Yes, now. Confirm. Okay. So we didn't pick up everything, which is not bad. I just didn't want to waste my time. Okay. So see it? We only picked up 19 point what? 19.69. That's okay by me. 19.69 is fine. Okay, so we still have 29 cents, 19.69. So let's set our sell limit. That's what we need to do. Our sell limit. Let's set our sell limit. It's going up. It looks good. It's going up. Sell. And then let's put all that in here. Let's change this to 2-1. Oh no. 2-1. Okay. 67. That's about a whole $1. That's a 208. Whew. Okay, that's 207. All right. All right. I think I'm cool with that. That's 19.69. That's like 19.7. So that's like giving me like about 30 extra. That's a lot. That's a whole lot. That's a whole lot. Let's go to 26. Okay. So I think 20.28. That's fine. I think I'm cool with this. It should give us over 2%. That's fine. Okay. So yeah, we've submitted it. Wait a second. I wasted my money. I wasted my money. I didn't even check. What a trade. It went up. I lost money. Oh my God. Why did I do this? Okay. Good. I sold it at 209. Wow. How much did I make? This is what I call ignorant trade. What? Can you see this? This is awesome. Wow. Interesting. I love this. I'm going to go second round, people. I'm going second round. This one is going to go up. I'm going up second round. I'm going second round. Second round, people. Second round. Let's go. Oh, no. Just $20. I'm taking I'm taking my profits. In fact, before I continue, what am I doing? That was a profit. My profit is 85 cents. Yes, my profit is 85 cents. I will just do. Oh, good. I'm not doing again. No. Oh my God, this is awesome. I am not. Oh, what am I saying? What are you talking about? It went up. Did it go up? I didn't see it though. What's going on? What is going on? I didn't check it. Did it go up? Oh, I'm not seeing it. Let me send out my profit first of all, and I'll come back with clear eyes. Look at it. Let's go back and check. See, oh my God, it's gone down, people. This one is terrible. Wow. Squad went down, people. Look at it. Can you see what I'm saying? Just now, split second, I made 85 cents over my $20. Not even that. It was, look at it. Let's take a good look at it. This is a case study. This is a new coin, people. This is a new coin. I only bought 19.69. Okay, look at that. 19.69. And see what I have here. 20.85. 20.85. Oh my God. 20.85. Okay. Wow. 20.85. Interesting. 20.85, 19.69. Let's go and check this one. I love this one. Thank God I didn't go into second round. I'm not doing 20.85 minus 19.69. Oh my God, $1.16. Like $1.16. Can you see what I'm talking about here? This is a beautiful one, guys. $1.16 over my $20. Oh my God, what is this percentage? Let us look at it. Okay. 19.69. Okay. 19.69 times. Let me check. Is it 5%? It's even more than that. 6%? Let me see. $1. What was it? What was it? Was it $1.19? It's not even up to that. What am I saying now? Let me do it one more time. It's like as if I can't remember. 20.85 minus 19.69. $1.16. Okay, it was less than that. $1.16. Okay, so that is 19.69 times 5.5. Okay, 5.8, 5.9. Yeah, 5.9 is it, people. Look at it. We made 5.9% on the squad trade, which was practically an ignorant trade. I didn't even know what was happening. I didn't even know. Look at it, people. Look at it. Oh my God. Where am I? Let me go back inside of MEXC. This kind of interesting things happen on MEXC, I'm telling you. This kind of interesting things happen on MEXC. Let's go and see. Oh, it's going down now. So sorry, people. Squad, bye-bye to you. Let me go and send in my profit and look for another trade to do. And what am I doing? Let's get back in here. Let's go and send it. Transfer. Oh my God, this is beautiful. Let's change this to fiat and all, and I will send out my 85 cents. This is beautiful, people. This is awesome. Awesome, 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 people. Awesome. Let me say remind me later. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I mean, I took this awesome trade. I took this awesome squad trade. Let me just snap it. Let me just have it. Oh my God. See that. Oh my God. We made it. Look, this was like, we just breasted the tape. Look at it. I took this squad trade and it was beautiful. And now it's going down. So I'm going to go check which other one I can pick. Let's see. AI Pandora, are you good? Nah, you're not good. You were not good. XA, what about you? No way. Not good, not good. Beefy, are you good? No way. Looks like we have to leave MEXC and come back and check again.